Sakar traveled from home to bus stop at rate of 10 km per hour and walked back at rate of 2 km per hour. If the whole journey took 1 hour 15 minutes, find the distance of bus stop from home. Sakar had traveled a distance at 10 km per hour and walked back the same distance at 2 km per hour. Time for whole journey is equal to 1 hour 15 minutes. Is equal to 1, 15 by 60 hours. The minutes is divided by 60 to convert it into hour. Time for whole journey is equal to 1 by 4 hours is equal to 5 by 4 hours. The formula to find average speed when equal distances are traveled at different speeds of x and y's. Average speed is equal to 2xy by x plus y kilometers per hour. Substituting values in the formula for average speed. Average speed is equal to 2 into 10 into 2 by 10 plus 2 kilometers per hour is equal to 40 by 12 kilometers per hour. Distance traveled in 1 hour 15 minutes is equal to average speed into time of travel. Distance traveled in 1 hour 15 minutes is equal to 40 by 12 into 5 by 4 is equal to 25 by 6 kilometers. Distance traveled in 1 hour 15 minutes is equal to 4.16 kilometers. Distance of bus stop from home is half the distance between home to bus stop and then from bus stop to home. So the distance of bus stop from home is equal to 4.16 by 2 is equal to 2.08 kilometers. The distance of bus stop from home is 2.08 kilometers. Let us see another example. Aaron traveled from home to school at the rate of 12 kilometers per hour and walked back at the rate of 3 kilometers per hour. If the whole journey took 5 hours, find the distance of school from home. Aaron had traveled a distance at 12 kilometers per hour and walked back the same distance at 3 kilometers per hour. Time for whole journey is equal to 5 hours. The formula to find average speed when equal distances are traveled at different speeds of x and y's. Average speed is equal to 2xy by x plus y kilometers per hour. Substituting values in the formula for average speed. Average speed is equal to 2 into 12 into 3 by 12 plus 3 kilometers per hour is equal to 72 by 15 kilometers per hour. Distance traveled in 5 hours is equal to average speed into time of travel is equal to 72 by 15 into 5 kilometers is equal to 24 kilometers. Distance of school from home is half the distance between home to school and then from school to home. So the distance of school from home is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12 kilometers. The distance of school from home is 12 kilometers. Let us see another example. Dravid traveled from A to B at the rate of 10 kilometers per hour and walked back at the rate of 15 kilometers per hour. If the whole journey took 6 hours, find the distance of B from A. Dravid had traveled a distance at 10 kilometers per hour and walked back the same distance at 15 kilometers per hour. Time for whole journey is equal to 6 hours. The formula to find average speed when equal distances are traveled at different speeds of x and y's. Average speed is equal to 2xy by x plus y kilometers per hour. Substituting values in the formula for average speed. Average speed is equal to 2 into 10 into 15 by 10 plus 15 kilometers per hour is equal to 300 by 25 kilometers per hour, is equal to 12 kilometers per hour. Distance traveled in 6 hours is equal to average speed into time of travel is equal to 12 into 6 kilometers, is equal to 72 kilometers. Distance of B from A is half the distance between A to B and then from B to A. So the distance of B from A is equal to 72 by 2 is equal to 36 kilometers. The distance of B from A is 36 kilometers.